Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so here's the thing. I hate my room right now. It is a mess and it's making me stressed out. So let's clean it together. I kind of want to like reorganize everything and just like feel better. So let's get started. So what I'm starting off doing is I've been like going around my room and just grabbing things that like don't belong and taking them to where they do belong. Like, you know, when you have a million water bottles beside your bed, that was also happening. I'm pretty sure I did a good sweep of that. So now it's time to deal with the clothes. So I usually tackle my room in sections. So I'm doing this half of my bed and then I'll move over and do that half of my bed.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Okay. Last thing-ish, I need to figure out what books I want to keep in my room and which ones I don't want to keep in my room. I also changed into shorts because it was getting so hot in here I could not. I'm gonna keep these in here just because I like them. Probably keep this. These can go, that can go. Keep.
Every day goes looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off, was a feeling never enough.
The thing is, I don't know where to put these. Triggered. Okay, give me a second, and then it's almost time for the reveal. Okay, so I think I'm all finished. So now it's just time to show you the finished product. I'm so excited. It actually isn't too bad. There's just I'm probably gonna turn on a couple of the fancy lights just to give you the full effect. And then, yeah. All right, let's give a full room tour.
When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Okay, so over here I just have my little bedside table with this cute little X and O thing. It's super adorable. I have my bed, which I made it for once. And then I finally cleaned off this. That was bugging me for so long. So now it's nice and clean. And then we got my makeup. Hi, that's me. My makeup table is finally organized and there's not a pile of makeup on it. And yeah, like all this stuff is nice and organized. I'm just so happy that I actually did it. I cleaned my room. So like, yay. Alright guys, that's honestly probably going to be the end of the video. I know I look very interesting right now because I did not get ready at all today. I just woke up, washed my face, and was like, I need to clean my room. It is time. So that is why I look like this. It's good to be natural and not perfect all of the time because that is very unhealthy, especially for people that are watching. Because I know when I watch YouTube or I watch or I look at people's Instagrams and they're just like perfect all the time, I get so self-conscious and I just hate myself because I'm like, I am ugly. I feel like it's good to just be real and like, I'm not gonna get ready full makeup and hair just to clean my room so I can film it and look nice. Like, if I was just gonna do it without the camera, I would probably be wearing the exact same thing. Enough of that rant. I just thought it's cool to have like some realness because there's so much like perfect and it makes me feel bad. So if it makes me feel bad, I'm sure it makes a lot of other people feel bad. I should go now. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please hit subscribe. I'd be really happy actually. My camera's about to die, so that's my camera telling me that I need to stop talking and actually go. So, bye you guys.